Hey, thank you for this user that left me a comment in one of my tutorial about you know uh, being a victim of online scam with fake AliExpress, right? Affiliate marketing, right? For this instance, it is yet another example from somewhere else in the other parts of the world that someone is being scammed. Some regular people is being scammed again, right? Because they just want to use the internet to create multiple sources of online income. So first thing first, stop dealing with this kind of fake affiliate marketing business opportunities, and the amount that you are seeing reflected on your business dashboard, right? I'm sorry to tell you, those are make-up numbers. They are not true commissions that you can withdraw. So stop putting in your own money just to withdraw this amount of fake commissions. And next, there will be people, right, roaming around the internet, spotting victims like yourself and reaching out to you in your DMs, claiming that they can help you to recover your lost amount of money. So my advice for you is, please do not trust this kind of people as well. Thirdly, which is the most important, how you are going to properly and for a long time, right, to be able to safeguard, right, your interest when you use the internet, and maybe at times using the AI to create multiple sources of online income, right? My advice for you is to go and learn properly, get coaching, get mentoring of how to what is online marketing, right? Go and equip yourself with all these proper real world evergreen business skills like marketing and sales, right? Content creation, and master all these skills. These will help you, right, to recover your lost money better than you take some shortcuts elsewhere, right? Because these skills that you have equipped yourself, literally, when you master it, first of all, when you start, you are already gradually making small amount of income when you have this type of skills. So, and as you continue and you never give up, you will continue to increase the amount of such kind of income coming to you, and eventually it becomes a passive income result. And this is what most regular people like you and me wanted anyway, right? So this is my ultimate advice for anyone who want to use the internet, right, to create multiple sources of online income. Go and learn digital marketing, because you will be coached, you'll be trained on such kind of real world business skills. And when you master it, right, literally you can market and sell anything of your choice, and those are all proper business building that you are doing from then on. Okay, so I hope these 3 tips helps you, right? And I also conduct regularly uh, live streaming, right, using TikTok. So you may come on during my live stream and ask me directly, face to face, right? Your questions or anything, your experience, right? Come and interact with me. I will discuss with you. I will even show you, right, during the live streaming, all these digital marketing methods, right? So I look forward to seeing you. Number one, follow me first so that you can get notification from me for my next live streaming, right? Secondly, that if you cannot wait and you wish to reach out quickly, then follow me and you can DM me. Right? So I will see you in my next video.